mash up all the vibes again.
On the tones, the big
It up. Young rich nigga no be shut up bundle. We spend the money large, we spending it bundle. Right now me ringy all around her like a wind so now me moving fast, Charlie me no be cripple. I shari also for the money no be lie. When I do also for Accra with the grind. So many people put pepper for my eyes, but things are like I wipe those tears for my eyes. Lesson for streets, not for you to realize. You know the truth, Charlie, make you know the lies. From Zongo to Zongo, Charlie know the try. Overtaking is a large edit, you know they sleep for gun. I like a hustle, hustle, yeah. Make them no use Benz, carry your girl past you.
This guy, see body, see chest. Monica, this one is good, bro. See height. This guy will pass, he not go look me, Monica. So I just fine like this. Abi, my hands too small. And I package way. This guy safe, yeah, strong, I don't lie. See the one just sweat now. I just go waste this early morning jog issue way. Remember they go as tomorrow another day.
When I dey hustle for Accra with the grind. So many people put the pepper for my eyes. But things are like I wipe those tears from my eyes. Let's see for streets enough for you to realize. To know the truth, Charlie make you know the lies. He be chairman for your side, for my side.
Wow, this guy go cute and he go get money. Very cute guy, black. Go get money. Yes, he's married. Go after his money. Go after. My leg.
Sorry.
My leg. Oh.
Sorry. Okay. Let's sit there. Sorry.
Daddy.
Sorry. Sorry. I need to cry. Sorry. Sorry, you'll be fine. Sorry.
Thank you.
Sorry. I guess you okay now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Wow, thank you very much. I really appreciate, you know.
Thank you. What's your name?
My name is Monica. You can call me Moni.
Wow, sweet name for a pretty lady.
Thank you.
Well, my name is Charles.
Charles, wow. Nice meeting you. You are my hero, you know. Yes, you are.
Please, can I have your digits?
Why not? You're my hero. Don't expect me to say no.
Thank you.
080 8030 4526.
4526.
Yeah.
On the card, pretty lady. Okay. Your WhatsApp
that
with this
again.
number?
Yeah, that's my WhatsApp number.
Okay. So, you live around the area?
Yeah, it's close by.
Okay. I live around the area too.
Wow, that's nice. That means you must know my father.
Your father? Who's your father?
It's Chief Donkey.
Chief Kewe Doja, the politician?
Oh, yes. That's my father. Wow, you know him.
Wow, what a small world.
The world is very small. That's my father, you know.
Everybody knows him. He's a well-known man.
Wow, that's cool. That's great.
Wow. Very nice to meet you, man.
Pleasure is my hero.
Can I take you home?
Why not?
Okay.
I'm good to go.
Alright. Sorry. 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 You'll be fine. You'll be fine. You get to make sure you have some rest.
Okay.
When I dey hustle for Accra, we dey grind. So many people put the pepper for my eyes. But things are like I wipe the tears from my eye. Let's see for streets enough for you to realize. To know the truth, Charlie make you know the lies. You be chairman for your side, for my side you be judge. Credit a lot, now we want no be every time the beat. I like a hustle, oh, hustle, yeah. Make them no use Benz carry your girl pass you. I like a hustle, oh, hustle.
This is my house.
Okay.
This is my house.
All right. Okay. Sorry. Sorry. Yes, you're okay now.
Yeah, good and good. I'll just call my therapist to come and check on my leg later in the day.
Can I come in?
No, my dad, trying to understand in this security. Don't realize strangers, you know? Please, don't be offended.
Okay. Maybe we can hang up.
Yeah,
All right, yeah. I'll give you a call, yeah.
I will not say no promise.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Please take very good care of yourself.
No problem.
All right.
When I dey hustle for Accra, we dey grind. So many people put the pepper for my eyes. But things are like I wipe the tears from my eye. Let's see for streets enough for you to realize. To know the truth, Charlie make you know the lies. You be chairman for your side, for my side you be judge. Credit a lot, now we want.
In Igbo language, this is what we call G-flute. G-flute stroke Gary flute. Hello, Mike. I'm fine, and you? I'm at the supermarket. I'm getting some provisions I need, and you? Okay, at the office. Let me say an hour from now. You know I love conflict, so I just want to stock the house with the provision. And Mike, can I ask you something? What is it now? Remember my dad sent me some cash from the States, right? Yes. And I don't have chance to kind of change that money to Naira. It's still in dollars. So I don't know if you can lend me 10K to get some things I need here. I promise I will triple it for you as soon as I change the dollar. That's good. That's good. But I promise I will triple it for you as soon as I change the dollar to Naira. Okay, love you. Mwah. Who will forget my shop? I pray. Dollar key. Let me can drink my garage, yo.
Oh, hustle, but no go use your mama do yahoo. Hustle,
Monica, my baby.
My baby.
Monica herself just dey shine. No be so. This one wey you come see me so, I dey safe so.
They say you refuse to come and see me. Let me come and see you now.
I
Did I
did.
commit any crime?
I did, no be so. Now also now.
I see her.
I dey find daily bread. You know how to take me.
I see her for your body now. Let me make you just be fine like this.
Abeg.
Anyway, I have a new gist for you.
Okay.
Calm down.
You know say my body dey always
You
hot.
too dey hot. Calm down. There's one new guy.
Okay.
New bobo. When you buy new, cute, huge, 6-pack, everything balanced. And to my view, what is see the guy, what is size are up and down. Money day, my sister. Money day.
Hey, hey.
You know Timothy now. That my MMM now, Mugu money spender. Timothy just come and say I call meet am for house. I want they go the area just fine. Let me talk with my mother. This kind of fine area like this one. I take cash all those correct guys where get money, all those sugar daddies.
Hey.
I know some of those kind of people they always for that kind of fine environment. Early Monday, like all those jogging. You understand? I may say tomorrow to my mind. I must do early morning jogging. Call those ajebota. Early Monday they jog, and from there you take the cash new rich guys. As they break, trust me, be. Let me ballers.
Really?
When I enter like this with my early morning exercise stuff. My sister, you're not gonna know me again, no.
Jesus.
Hey, my sister. When I call the job, let me call this new guy. This guy don't even notice me. Oh. Ha! He just won't pass me like this. He never would pass. Let me fast forward go. Let me fall. I just pretend I fall. When I carry me, I say Jesus Christ. As the guy carry me, be like I did. I just my man just carry me go inside. I say just take do me like this. I shower. And you know my new profile now. Very, very important, please. And babe, should the case I introduce any guy, give you say, babe, meet my boob Charles. Once you hear that name Charles, may you know for my hand though, because my new name for there, I be Chief Donke's daughter, popular politician so.
Chief Donkey's daughter. Monica. That one too big, go.
My sister.
What if he finds out?
He won't find that now. I have everything under control.
Hey, anyway, it's you. It's you.
Trust me, I know what to do.
Hey, I even have something to tell you.
What's that?
There's one guy that stays at the back of my street. Very fine. If you see the guy.
I hope you get money. Okay, you know my name, Monica.
Hey.
My name is Monica.
I beg you, wait.
Monica.
Wait.
So I come and see her. I don't say no for my hand.
Yeah. See this guy. See the guy.
This guy
Is
is cute.
Very cute.
And to my view,
Hey.
he seems rich.
Very, very rich. Very
My sister,
rich.
thank you.
Very rich. You like it?
I hope you never tell her my name.
Not at all.
Because you see this guy too. I need to go design and edit new profile for this guy. Oh. I need to give him a better name. But my name is Monica.
No worry.
Hey, babe. Come on, go snap for outside that bed.
You have a picture again. Don't come.
My sister, how do they follow up
Yeah.
now? With the upload of Facebook, we say we get money. And money not there. I will take the potpourri every year.
Yeah,
There's
no,
one new car. So outside.
That's how we there outside just now.
Babe, I need to have this snap for the one go carry am.
Let's see for streets enough for you to realize. To know the truth, Charlie make you know the lies. You be chairman for your side, for my side you be judge. Credit a lot, now we want no be every time the beat. I like a hustle, oh, hustle. Yeah. Make them no use Benz carry your girl pass you.
I'm tired, please.
That guy likes you. That guy coming. Likes you.
I don't like what you are doing. What's the meaning of this? Must you insult me every cockroach just because I like money? This thing that this guy be like, why would shop for my mama pot of soup finish? I be remain for his house. Whose picture?
The guy I showed you his picture in my house.
Wait,
That's the guy.
the guy. Wait, come first now.
The picture I showed. That's the guy.
Hi. You did not answer me. Why you not laughing?
Why would you answer it?
Why you not answer me?
After you finish,
Let me tell you. See this guy here. This guy will be my MMA.
Really?
Mugu Mon spinner. Bet me now. Must catch this guy.